अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, आज الحمرا हॉल नंबर 2 में पाकिस्तान और बेल्जियम के 75 साल सफारती तलकात की बिना पर एक प्रोग्राम जो है वो मनक़द किया गया। इसमें पाकिस्तानी स्टार पर जो थे वो वजी सुल्तानी थे और तबला पर थे इरफान खान। और दोस्तों इसमें बेल्जियम के सफीर ने जो है वो तकरीर भी की है, वो भी आपको सुनाता हूँ मैं। और इसके अलावा जो बेल्जियम के सिंगर हैं उन्हें फ़्रेंच और अमेरिकन इंग्लिश के जो हैं वो नगमे भी सुनाए, तो वो भी मैं आपको सुनाऊंगा। स्टैन उनका नाम था, तो बड़े ज़बरदस्त उन्होंने जो है वो जनाब नगमे पेश किए हैं। आप जब देखेंगे ये पार्ट 2 में, अभी पार्ट 1 है, इसमें मैं आपको सिर्फ तकरीर जो है वो और थोड़ा सा पाकिस्तानी जो थोड़ा सा क्लासिकल जो उन्होंने साज़ बजाया वो आप इसमें देख सकेंगे। लेकिन सेकंड में जो है और थर्ड में जो है वो आप जो है वो स्टैन का जो है परफॉर्मेंस देख सकेंगे और आप देखेंगे कितनी ज़बरदस्त परफॉर्मेंस है।
I would first like to thank the public for its presence. I hope that you will enjoy this evening, which was a challenge for the embassy, an artistic challenge far before being a challenge of organization. I also would like to thank the alhamra Cultural Center for hosting this recital and for having put this concert hall at our disposal. I also thank the Alliance Française de Lahore for this cooperation between Belgium and France. We are two neighboring countries and we have a lot of cooperations, bilateral cooperations of all kinds, and now we also have that kind of cooperation in Pakistan. I'm very happy about that. The two countries exchanged embassies in that year, and so because the date is not set very precisely, we have also 75 years later more flexibility to celebrate our friendship, and I'm very happy about it. With this anniversary, the Belgian embassy in Islamabad decided to organize a Belgian Week 2023 with several joint cultural projects at the King's Day reception, which was the 16th of November last week. We launched a book with the translation in Urdu of 5 theatre plays of Maurice Maeterlinck, who is a Belgian author, laureate of the Nobel Prize of Literature in 1911, nothing to do with another famous date. It was at the beginning of the 20th century. We also had a food festival at Marriott Hotel, who is a usual partner of the embassy in Islamabad, for a food festival with 2 cooks who came from Belgium. We had 2 songs recitals with Stanford, with 2 Pakistani musicians, 1 recital in Islamabad at the Belgian residence, and this second recital in Lahore. The next cultural event will be theatre plays from Maurice Maeterlinck, staged by Havalé Theatre Group in Islamabad, and later in December we will also have a picture exhibition in Karachi. So the common element between all those cultural events is that they are all realized in partnership with Pakistani artists, and this is exactly to stress the bilateral aspect of this anniversary. Let us now introduce our 3 musicians. Stanford comes from Belgium. I don't speak about his age, but he's known in Belgium for his skillful renditions of French variety classics, and especially Jacques Brel. The new director mentioned that. Jacques Brel made a wonderful career in France, but he comes from Belgium, and he belongs now to the tradition of French variety classics. Stan Pollet's live performance offer an invitation to escape.
हम पाकिस्तानी मौसीकी में एक ब्रिज बनाना है। सो कहा जाता है कि मौसीकी जो है वो आफाकी ज़बान है। सो मैंने और इरफान ने स्टैन पोले के साथ मिलकर कोशिश की है कि हम दोनों को यकजा कर सकें। सो आप लोगों की बेहद मोहब्बत कि आप लोग तशरीफ़ लाएँ। सबसे पहले मैं आपको एक राग सुनाऊंगा क्लासिकल म्यूज़िक से और फिर उसके बाद हम प्रोग्राम को आगे लेके चलेंगे.